What's up, guys? Are we ready and steady for the shenanigans? I have missed so much. I have literally missed so much, and I haven't gone through anything. I haven't checked anything. So, this is about to get very entertaining. I feel like I have missed a bucket load. Okay, but let's do the pivot points. Let's just continue as is. A little bit bummed that I've missed so much, but you know, family duties and whatnot, gotta just carrying on. Asia high over there. What's up, Juicy? How are you? How's everyone doing? Welcome back. I nearly said y'all, which I'm judging myself for. But welcome back, everybody. Are we all doing absolutely amazing? Just, you gotta say, yeah. You're doing absolutely amazing. I'm marking this as Asia low. Okay. 1, 2, this is yesterday's New York low, apparently. Let's see, did I miss a lot? Did I miss a bunch of juicy stuff? It low-key looks like it. Look at yesterday's London low, and then it just looks like it just continued going up and away. London high was taken. That's been taken. That's been taken. I will zoom out now and see if there's any other liquidity like that.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Hi, Sally! What's up? That was indeed taken out. Not rejected off of that new daily opening gap back then. Cool. Sorry, I'm kind of going through everything that I have in DDO missed. Because, yeah, took out that, then I went up there. This is where I was. Ah, this is the new weekly opening gap. Let's do this. Okay. Holy cow. New weekly opening gap. Let's go. So I don't need that. Oh, it has not come back into here. Don't ask me why. There was a stop hammer time there. I'm assuming it was a level that Hammer told me to take a note of. Sorry, how was the long weekend? Oh, it was good. It was long. The chaos is not over yet. That's all I'm gonna say. The chaos is not over yet, but I'm happy to be back. I'm happy to be back. I'm exhausted. I am peopled out. Oh my gosh. I don't know how people can be social butterflies so often. I really, really struggle. There's a reason I have an anti-social butterfly tattoo. I'll leave it at that. Because damn. Just damn. It's tough. Oh, there is a little new daily opening gap. Look at that. Itty bitty one. Oh, say itty bitty. It's an okay one. Has already been taken. It was sitting on it, but it's still something to just be aware of. What's up? Aw, cheers, Atlanta. Where you going? Having to quickly mark out everything. Last thing was where midnight at. There it is. Hello, midnight. Okay. Then we have marked out everything. I'll go on the hourly before New York, but for London session, everything is now sorted. Tomorrow I'm to the mountains until Sunday. What the heck, Atlanta? That's cool though. OTT, what's up? How are you? Guess who's back? Back again. Maya's back. Tell a friend. Sorry, I'll stop. I will stop being so weird. Okay, so you guys have to tell me, what did I miss? How many whoop whoops were there? Was it a good Monday and Tuesday session? Was it meh? Tell me the details. I feel like I've missed out on so much and I'm sad. They went for the all-time highs. Nice. What the heck? How are we? They went for the all-time high. I kind of see that, which is very interesting. I didn't expect that, not gonna lie. I really thought it was the beginning of the bear run. Clearly, I was wrong. Okay, let's do a quick daily. Okay, yeah, all-time highs it is. Trend is friend until it's not. Just gotta keep going with that. I made a 10-foot long shark was circling underneath where I was standing, so... No, David, that's terrifying. What's up, Sid? How you doing? The best bank holiday trade, and yesterday I had a whoop and a half. OTT, have you just like found your strategy? Have you just found what works for you? I love it. I absolutely love it. I need to be as cool as you when I grow up. Not 4 hour. Okay, what have we got on the 4 hour? Came back into here. See, we're going back up slowly now. Could reject off of this wick. First fit value gap. Solid rejection. Okay. 1 hour. Expected this 1 hour really nicely. Ew. See, that wasn't great. I forgot that Monday was a bank holiday. I feel a little bit better. I feel like I didn't miss too much on Monday. Hoping. Confirmation. I was watching Tanya Trade's stream Monday and Tuesday. It was boring. Did Solly just admit that he missed me? Okay, Solly just said he missed me. I feel good now. Whether Solly wanted to admit it or not, he missed me. I think I found a sniff for that. I don't know how I even found it. This whole month I've traded every day in this month and one red day. Gosh. I don't remember much from Monday or Sunday or Saturday. Monday was really good though for bank holiday. OTT, you're supposed to be making me feel better for missing a few days. Not rubbing it in. Gosh. You were supposed to be like, no, it was terrible. Oh, the missed out. I feel special. Sonny would miss the corn kernel. Well, that was mean. That was unnecessarily rude. Just saying. Good grief. Two things. Number one,
emotional damage.
And number two, for anyone that just hopped on.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Bruh. Don't do that. Okay. Okay, so that's 15-minute, 5-minute. Oh dear. Sorry, I opened something, which obviously caused this to not be super happy with me. 1 minute. Whew. Let's go, girls. Do 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 do. Do do do. Damn. It's only gonna get weirder from here. Hope you guys are ready. The week so far has been insanely good. Stop it! Yesterday was just far too easy. Even called it 10 OTT after I called it a day. Finally started working on the 5th. I found out yesterday. Oh, nice. Is that a zipper in the front? Is that what they call a corset? No, so it's just like little what's it called? Is that a hook? I would say a hook and eye, but that doesn't sound right. Is that what it's called? That doesn't sound right. Okay. Here we go, 3 a.m. How did I manage to get so much done in 10 minutes? That was... Okay, was not expecting that. Let's do this thing. Little chicken wings, I promise you, if Monday and Tuesday was the damn Maya effect, and now today it's going to be flipping sideways, I will be grumpy. I will be grumpy. You cannot tell me I missed 2 insanely amazing days and the Maya effect took place and now it's gonna be meh. I will not be a happy chappy. I need $500 more in 10K month here. I can what? It's called the things bras have. I mean, David, you're not wrong. When you're right, you're right. Death my effect, because why was bank holiday good and when you weren't here? That feels mean. That feels a little like a personal attack. Like, why is that necessary? And so maybe you guys should prepare mentally prepare yourselves. Next week, Wednesday, I will not be here. Long story short, lastminute.com, my sister decided to organize her wedding because my parents were down here, or are down here. So she wanted to organize her wedding so that they could attend it where, you know, while they're still down here. Which means unplanned for me. Now I need to fly up to Joburg for the wedding, which is on the Wednesday, and then I will fly back down on Thursday. So I will be back. I don't know why I said it like that, but I will be back for Thursday New York session, but I will not be here for London session. Wednesday or Thursday, depending on where you're living at. So basically, be prepared that those days or those sessions will probably be amazing. This would have been a nice little indication for potential little shorty short over there. Let's see, I feel like I need to get back into the groove quickly. I feel this feels foreign to not have been here for so long. Oh, by the way, sorry. I know I'm going on and on and on. Let me quickly read this and then OTT, I gotta tell you something. I even took a photo. I must actually post it on Discord and tag you. I found a banana milkshake. They actually do banana milkshakes. I'm so sorry. I honestly didn't think they did because maybe I've just never looked and never taken note because banana. I found a banana milkshake. Well, I wasn't going to mention my effect. As you mentioned, but I was literally thinking that past 2 days rough. Did we go to 20R trade? Record highs. Wednesday, thanks Atlanta. How are you? Mark your calendars, you guys are so mean. Happy Wednesday indeed. Monday, no Maya, I assume UK US holiday, so no stream. Tuesday, no stream, I assume. Finally kidnapped Maya. I mean, some guy, that's a valid assumption, but like I said, parental's just down here. It's been a lot of socializing. It's been a lot. And so much drama, guys. My family is too much drama. They are way too much drama. You know when you just sit there and you go, Anyways, way too much drama. I didn't prefer eating whole bananas. Anna. So, okay, I feel like a lot of people missed this last on, was it Friday? It was Friday London session. Friday London session, I did the coin flip strategy. Only paper trading, because coin flip strategy is not actually a real thing. But anyways, I did the coin flip strategy, and the deal was if it hit TP, again, paper trading, but if it hit TP, which it did, OTT would have to have a banana milkshake. An amazing heat wave here in the UK, and that's happened off from the day jobs and Sansa beach walks and swims with elf. Oh, some guy, that is absolutely amazing. I took Perry for a little run this morning. I tried to take him for a run every morning last week. Because of the fact that he's starting to look a little bit like a potato. I love him loads, but he is looking slightly potato-ish. So I'm just having a quick little looky here. Not the best, not the worst. That's all I'm gonna say. Not the best, not the worst. This looks like it is wanting to push slightly. Let's see what we get. Who would have conjured up such an abomination? OTT cinema. I love long walks on the beach and sunset. Ew. No, wait. Time out. OTT, did you just say you eat bananas sideways? I've been trading London since sessions while I'm off work, some nice W's. Some guy, it's probably because I was not here, the thing. This Maya effect thing I'm really starting to believe is for realsies, and it's making me sad. 35 yesterday, 2 hop off the hose, and that makes him sad. What's up, Pipstar? How are you doing? What is wrong with you guys? You know what's hilarious? But I'm not gonna do it now because this conversation took a bit of a... I actually have bananas. I'm not gonna eat a banana on stream because that's just gonna be terrible. Only bad things can happen from doing that. I'm just saying. Nothing good will come from that. Oh, wait. This would be such a sneaky one, and potentially a really bad flop, but in the same breath.
Nice.
How much is this worth, and do I care if I lose it? No, I do not. Is the answer to that $11. Oh dear, what happened? Okay. Like I said, this is a little bit cheeky. 1, 2. It's going with the lot, but it's also going a lot. Going with a lot, but also going against a lot. There we go. English nailed it.
That's what she said.
Oh, this is surprising. I'm sure it's how else would you eat a banana? I'm so confused. What? Let's... Oh. Like I said, this is a little risky because it has just taken out a lot. However, again, that being said, this is $11. do I care that much if I get taken out with $11? Not really. The full one retests all the way back down. Did that just edge me? No ways. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I can't. Oh, well, I'm in now. And now I'm so zoomed in. Zoom out. Disco, that's what's happening here right now. Anyway, sorry, I was getting so grumpy about the fact that it could have potentially been. Oh, to the bar shambles right now. What's happened? Anyways. No. That was a good, that went up to 50%. Awesome. This is gonna move to break even. Let's go for it. Oh, teeny tiny bit of a tap into that volume imbalance. This might come back down for a little bit of a break even. Should I be greedy? Are we being greedy today? Because it's Wednesday. Wednesday. Are we being greedy today? Just because I said that. Maybe I shouldn't be greedy. And just trail it. Sorry, that took me a minute. Heat has been like... I see liquidity under VWAP. It might take me out at break even, but it was still a really nice rejection off of that level. So I'm gonna be fine with that. To take that out. Like I said, this is me being low-key a little bit greedy. Oh well. Some guy got game. Help me impress an Asian beauty so she can call for me. I don't know if there's enough volume. Probably not. Nah, not enough volume. Okay. Taken out at break even. So that's cool. That's cool. Not gonna complain about a little break even trade. Oh. Okay then. Why is it my Wi-Fi? I feel like my Wi-Fi is being slow. So that was a nothing. That was a nothing. Welcome. Welcome to the meh trade there. Nothing gained, nothing lost. Right there. But we are back. Trade taken. And break even it is. Let's do this. I can't be single and unemployed. I gotta pick a struggle. I am literally not even here for this conversation, but it looks like a goodie. I'm getting bored. I need to stay busy. Yeah, no. I need this Wi-Fi to figure itself out. So I did move to break even. The spread got me slightly. Let's see where this now goes. If this ends up going back up or not. Like I said, this, I would have at least mitigated risk by half, which means this would have taken me out. regardless. I feel like the Wi-Fi is freaking out. It's Wi-Fi freaking out. I feel like it's always freaking out. It's like me. We have little moments. We have little freakouts. It is what it is. Dun dun dun. Oh, okay, I see we are gonna be messing around here a little bit. Whoopsie daisies. Didn't mean to do that. Yeah, someone market cloud about euros. I think I could get a job trading, earn money on what job gonna give me. Basically an hour. No, OTT, you have a valid point. But I mean, if you can live off of trading, why wouldn't you? Like, this sounds bad, but why would you want to get a job? Okay, let's maybe rephrase this. OTT, I would say the only way it would make sense for you to get a job is if it was something you really cared about, like the money made no difference to you. You were just passionate about it and you wanted to do it because you loved it. Otherwise, I would say don't bother, right? Literally don't bother. That's issue number one. Outside scary. Ready to move. It's long. It's tiny bit of profit. Short to go. So it's high. Can we pump to TV1 please? And then what we do? Freaking join one of those stupid dating things. To be fair, it's where my cousin found her now husband. If you go outside and you look decent with a nice haircut and a good smile, you can speak proper English. You can get any girl you want. Yeah, I'm a girl and I can confirm that no. Doesn't work quite like that. Just saying. Huh. Okay. So if I'd left this one alone, would have been a win? Cool, so correct idea. Just moved to break even too fast. What job is actually going to be enough for me to survive besides restaurants and fast food places? I'm going to get lucky, get an IT job. That's if I'm lucky. I'll take your little heart in a heartbeat. That was very Jeffrey Dahmer of you right there. Just saying, Atlanta. That was low-key terrifying. Let's see if this now goes bob to bob. Sorry, I'm so zoomed in right now, but it's because we are now going sideways. And apparently it has not been going sideways for the past 2 days when I was not here. And now it be going sideways. I'm gonna show you guys some of the photos from the wedding. I was not very dressed up. I literally wore a jumpsuit because screw that. And I was having way too much fun. Being the black sheep of my family. That is my thing. Because underneath my jumpsuit, I wore my chicken socks. Which is amazing. Maybe get a job with Discovery and Insurance Admin? I don't even know who Jeffrey Dahmer is. I feel like that's a lie, Atlanta. 87, how you doing? I don't even know how to look for a job. I've just been a trader, man. I got 0 adult experience. OTT, I feel like the question is, do you want adult experience? Maybe that's the better question to be asking. Like, do you even want it? Bruh, why are you now going to where rude. Oh well, correct idea. Just, actually lost a few cents there. Oh well. Just 80 bit a couple of cents from that little break-even trade. It is what it is. The spread was a little bit large there, so that's fine. It was very delayed. That was my Wi-Fi, so I did try and see if I could sort that out now. This Wi-Fi's been driving me crazy. What am I missing? The real question is, do I need it? Well, things are do what you're passionate about and enjoy. Money comes and goes. You can only lose time. It almost sounds like a pianist. No. Yeah, I'm just going to speech now. Some guys surf and passionate about robbing banks. You prove. Follow my dreams. OTT, you know what? If you're good at doing that and you know, you're willing to help a friend out, then you do you. Please don't. Okay. Break-even trade is fine. Break-even trade is fine. Took the trade, moving on to the next. Let's do this thing. Had the correct idea. Did have the correct idea. Just came and took me out first. Let us do this. There's Asia High up above. We're kind of stuck around this little bit of a zone right here. Give me a second. Care. I'm not, I don't really care. And I'm kidding. That's so dark. No, when you started your trading or whatever, I know blue squiggly line had the most movement I've ever seen it have. This one now? Like right now? Well, exactly, we're just gonna cut into it. What is happening? That's what I real. Okay. I didn't see OTT's comment. Now I read it. I'm gonna just continue watching the charts. Let's just continue watching the charts like normal human beings. No, OTT is showing up for the stereotypes. Wow. What's up, Samuel? How you doing? How's it going? Oh, look at it now. Look at it now head where I wanted it to go earlier. Okay, we could still potentially get something a little bit more here. Sorry, this itchy eyeball. Okay, I actually looking at this, I see no matter what I had done, this would have been a break-even trade, so that's fine. It's a little bit frustrating, but it is what it is. Debbie, if you go into my post, you'll actually literally see what OTT looks like. Speaking of, scheduled to come out later after New York session. Drum roll, please. I'm doing a very bad drum roll. I will I'll get the video out of me and OTT having a conversation about basically prop firms and a little bit about like OTT's journey in a way. That'll be coming out later after New York session. I'm excited. It's gonna be absolutely grand. Just don't judge my editing skills. It's not great. I did what I could. Oh, Sammy, I'm good. Where is the... That's the case if I refer to comment on TD. Oh, got it. Got it. Thanks, Debbie. Debbie, that was so long ago. How do you remember that? Gosh, damn. Like, how do you remember that? That was so long ago. I'm gonna ask a question that's probably gonna make me sad. Monday and Tuesday, was the price action better than this? It's probably gonna make me sad, but what should be better? Fun fact, my dad is colored, thus I do have white in me. Ah, look at you go. Why do we always have the most unhinged conversations? We literally always have the most unhinged conversations in this chat. Can't say we don't have fun here though. You know what? We can say many things, but we cannot say we don't have fun here. I don't think I'll ever forget it. Debbie, what did he say exactly? Because now I'm curious. Wait for the retest and a little bit sideways and then look for longs. Oh, Samuel, I had this break even here, but that's fine. Let's see if we do. It was... Watch, if this goes freaking bob to bob now, I will be a little bit grumpy, but it is what it is. We're just gonna continue carrying on. A little bit of a retest here wouldn't be the end of the world. How's this look on the 5 minute actually? Oh, 5 minutes just going up, and away. On the 5 minute, actually, you would want to see a bit more of a retest coming soon. Took out highs there. Wonder if we're gonna get a retest here or not. Back down into the midnight. Then potential continuation back there. Yeah. I can't stop OTT is disowning its own because you built a community of non-functional humans to feel comfortable. It's a good thing. True. We are way too much fun, guys. Exactly, like nobody takes anything seriously. Your blue line went very squiggly and like earlier. Why? Where do you see it going squiggly? It's pretty flat here. Flat. Here it went. Here it just straight line at the opening. Yeah, it looks pretty flat right now, especially if you zoom in a little bit more. Was it when I went onto a higher time frame? Never the channel should be called say anything you want unhinged and debate whether or not Maya is struggling for the day. Wow. The answer to that is I'm always struggling. When in doubt, I am always in a bit of a struggle bus. Very squiggly blue, yeah, squiggle blue. Was it meant for me? Just coming, just wait for it, low-key think I'm allergic to oxygen. OTT, isn't there a debate that everyone's low-key... The reason we die... Someone actually made a good point. The reason we die is because oxygen is just very slowly killing us and aging us. But we need oxygen to live. It could be that we are resting from the inside because the oxygen is mixing with our iron and we're just resting from the inside. And it just takes a very long time for it to kill us. Fun Thought Wednesday, let's do this. Right there, it obviously goes up, man. Got me laughing. I'm not ashamed, it was just jokes. Jokes, low-key the best. OTT, you know what? I think, flip. Playing Cards Against Humanity with you would be flipping hilarious. Everyone who's ever eaten bread has died. Everyone who's ever eaten bread has died at that sink 100%. And yet they try to make people quit smoking. Here we go. Not the retest I was expecting, but I guess it was a little bit of a retest and a little yoink up. 3:30. I'm trying to debate if I'm cold or not. I would agree, except I've had to deal with some pretty stupid stuff over the course of my lifetime. Oh, that's rough. Sorry, Atlanta. That really sucks. I'm so sorry. That's because you didn't. Me and OTT went very different directions with that. I was like, I'm so sorry. And OTT was just like, no! Ah, flip. Speaking of, while this decides what it wants to do, should we pop onto a paper trade and do a coin toss? What do y'all think? Yeah. Let's paper. Shall we coin toss? What do you guys think? You know the deal? Heads is buys, tails is sells. Okay. Heads. Let's put the stop loss under here. Where should we? Whoopsie daisies. Screw it. Paper trading. If anyone's coming at me, this do be paper that I am trading. Let's see if the coin toss do me good this time. So what you're saying is start smoking and quit bread. Jody, what's up? I'm back doing a coin flip trade. What's up? How you doing? To be fair, I did take an IRL. I'm trying to be cool. Do I sound like a youngster? I did take a real trade here. It was a break-even trade, so that's cool. Yeah, correct idea. Just came out to take me at break-even before continuation back up. Fun fact, astronauts breathe oxygen for a day in a special room before they go to space. Some guy low-key might be onto something. Johnny. Yeah, call off the search and rescue. David is never tired in a basement somewhere. Some guy, that's hilarious. No, not yet. Let's see anything. Half a ton, 18% boost. Have a skin tone. Some people don't deserve your attention. Damn, Debbie. Debbie coming with facts. Why is this working? You know what? I'm absolutely hating that the coin toss is doing so well. Oh. My Loki sound like a grandma. Trying to use teen slang. It's what I do. Oh. It's gonna be a beautiful trade. I can see it. I can feel it. Coin flip. Literal. Yeah, literal coin toss. Okay, so Jordy, putting it out there. Maybe I should make this. There we go. This is the paper trade. Like I said, watch it be phenomenal now. Watch it be amazing. Gosh, I'm getting worse, aren't I? With the weird stuff I say. But watch it now be amazing. I literally flipped a coin and it said buy, so I bought there. Here we go. I just made TP as Asia high and stop loss just below this recent low. Bon appetit. Let's see what happens. If things get too bad, look, he just pulled Michael Jackson. Some guy, that's the thing. So far, using the coin flip, I am up. So the realized P&L is $101, which is wild, insanely wild. I'm curious about this. Would be a B setup for me to take there. But what should be a good one? Get it? Very cool. Let's go coin flip strat. Dude, it's not my strategy. This nothing to do with me other than suggesting it to my. To be fair, this was Debbie's. This is apparently Debbie's secret sauce. Okay, Debbie's been lying to all of us. This is what Debbie do. Debbie just comes on and does a coin flip and goes with it. What? Debbie, that sounds like you're the... Oh, no, she is. Jordy, Debbie started this. This is Debbie's fault. I'm just saying. When was it? Was it during... It was too. It was during that stream I did with Boom. And... I don't know, but he was paper trading and I said, screw it, I'm gonna do a coin flip. And it, no, because Debbie mentioned the coin flip. So I said, okay, I will do a coin toss. And I did. Looks like the coin toss is not working out. How disappointing. YouTube is telling me there's one viewer on portrait, but there's loads of us in the chat. Interesting. To be fair, it did that the other day. Some guy? Apparently there's zero, but you are here. Make that make sense. Apparently there's 0 concurrent viewers, but there's at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's at least 6 of you. So I don't know. Make it make sense. YouTube's having a mini meltdown. Maybe YouTube's hating on me because I missed 2 days. And it's just like, no. Oh no, the coin flip is doing me dirty. Look at this. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. Wait, don't me and Debbie supposed to bet that if this wins, I trade train lines for a week, and if it doesn't, she admits banana is trash and drinks a chocolate milkshake. Oh, OTT, you don't like watermelons? What is wrong with you? I see 18 on my. Oh, thank you, Sin. Okay, there we go. Bananas are good, but milkshakes chalky for the win. I swear, if you keep doing this coin flip thing, huh? How am I still in this? Bruh, okay. But if this now works out, guys, if this now works out, I'm gonna, I don't even know. I'm gonna lose it because that is too funny. Okay, no. Okay. Are we rejecting off of there? It's gonna want to pull back again, but oh, guys, I can't deal with the just how entertaining this is. And then I'm more of a veggie guy, veggie superior. So you don't like tomatoes, OTT? What's up, Coach Carter? How you doing? Aww, coin flip did me dirty. Let's see. Ah, coin flip did me dirty. So what I did want to have a little looky-see at. Okay, first thing. Yep. Boop, 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 boop. I am chaotic today. Ooh, that could be quite a nice little retest there. Been going down. I'm gonna have to check now. Oh, did it just take me out and now it's going back up? Rude. Okay then. This is the twice times that it's done this. This is the retest. Look along, we'll go sideways then up. Maybe the next coin flip trade, the bet is on. Play rush really. That's not fun. China is so strong. I'm winning this bet. Well, let's see. Shall we? Like I said, I'll give it a minute. I'd like to see it retest down into here. Quite a nice trade. How much would I be risking? This is a nice trade. I like this trade. Is it worth the risk though? Potentially. $50. Okay, I might take this trade. If Maya plays it right, she can have a never-ending stream. Okie dokie, that was dark as heck. Atlanta, are you good? I'd be a trendline trader for a week. Let me see. Your Tori. Okay, let's do this. Ah. No, checking this. Inner Circle Trader Atlanta. This is who ICT is. Okay. Trading before you trade, wait for the monk. Thanks, Samuel. Okay, is it time to do OTT? Debbie, are y'all ready? We're gonna coin flip it. Coin flip trade. OTT, it says buy. Are we ready? I'm gonna do similar. Easy win. Let's see. I've put it at the lows. Stop loss at the lows. TP at the Asia high. Let's see if this takes this out BT dubs. I might quickly swap over and get this trade going. Thank heavens for paper trading. We can get the get the stupid out on paper trading. OTT, I don't mean to be that guy. Don't be so sure. OTT TMP just gave a sell signal. I was just about to say, OTT, why does this look like it's going down? I'm yelling timber. You better run. You better dance. It'd be crazy that I discovered that VWAP and VWAP band actually have simple rules they follow that I find leaves no need for a trend line. Interesting. That you won't remember, some guy, right? We gotta make sure you don't remember this night. Flip. Guys. I missed you guys. I'm having so much more fun doing this than I do with having to deal with family members. Trust. But like I said, the drama and the tea, I just got to sit back, sit there and go, right then. Like, please don't say it's only my family where there's drama and there's gossip and there's this and this one's saying things about this and that one's doing that and that one's in rehab and that one's just gotten out of rehab, that one's just getting divorced, that one's gone through. Like, I was just there going, what is happening? Wait, if this trade loses, I lose too. I thought it was the other way around. I think I'm cooked. That's 2 banana milkshakes for OTT. No, wait! Isn't that trend line trading now? Only true Tory? I don't know if you're gonna get, like, shouted at for changing your name to that. Oh, guys. The coin's doing me dirty. Oh, lost everything. Blech. Get rid of that. I'll just look on the 5-minute chart. it. The sellers have now come to play, but this is quite a nice A+ setup for a buy here. Am I being a little bit too married to my bias? I could potentially be being a little bit too married to my bias right now. But I really like that. I have 1, 2. Well, it's now hands off. It's now hands off. I am very much at the point right now that bring it on, Buttercup. Right? Bring it on, Buttercup. No more fear. Just take the trade. Oh man, memories. Yeah, phenomenology. His kryptonite. That trade. That's a little bit of time frame. I think you can. I should please show me how to use trade. Or should you be that guy that got in the very bottom of the low points on this chart? I think. Do you know what, OTT? I think Debbie and the coin are working together. I think that's it. I think Debbie and the coin are in shenanigans. Maybe I need to get a new coin out. That is the problem. That happened last time. I used a coin, it was doing me dirty, so I got a new coin and then it did me good. Maybe I gotta do the same thing again. I gotta get me a new coin. I bought from that spot and it came down. It's break even now. I come down and find the support on the last sell to buy area before the last big move. Some guy, that's the thing. It could. It really, really could. This could actually be more of a retest further back up. Yeah. For me, I really like it. I mean, there's been lots of trades where I've really liked it and it doesn't work out. But I'm gonna stick with it because I really like it. And I'm trying to not let the overthinking get to me. For me, this is a solid trade. It might not come get me, or it, like you said, it might go further down for more support. It is what it is. It might want to come tap into the new daily opening gap and then go all the way back up. Again, like I said, it is what I swear it was just cahoots going on between Debbie and the coin. Took a buy here, it came, took it out. Took a buy here, came, took it out, and now it's going back up. What cahoots are going on betwixt Debbie and the coin? I've trade for a week and journal everything. I use my trading framework on my channel, breaking some breaking issues. If you pick up another coin, I'm just invested folding. Damn, Atlanta, that was dark as heck. Debbie enjoying this, Debbie, I think. That's because the coin don't want Debbie to lose bets. I swear that's it. OTT. Like I said, I think Debbie is in cahoots with the coins. I'm gonna leave this trade alone. I'm trying my best to not be in my head. Leave it alone. When it's in the green, do you take profit or just wait for it to hit your target? Well, Atlanta, if I had more than one contract on, I would normally have different rules, but because there's only one contract, I just wait for it to hit TP. If I had like 5 contracts, different story, I would probably take one here, take majority at the original TP and leave a runner. Does that make sense? And maybe when it got to around mid-ish point, I would de-risk or go to break even. OTT, the coin wants you to admit you like banana milkshakes. Give me a second. Let me actually... Let me send this. Let me share this photo on Discord for OTT to see that there was indeed a banana milkshake. Just sharing. Ta-da! Eddie, hi! How you doing, Eddie? I missed you guys. Why are you paper trading? Okay, this one's not paper trading. This one's now good. I was paper trading earlier for funsies. This is now on my funded. But I was paper trading just for its and giggles. Some guy, I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm on it. No! Why did you not come further down and tag me in? That feels rude. Also, it did just have to have this push now that the paper trading the buy. Banana minion voice at least never saw this. Where we are today. Oh man. My main point of interest is obviously Asia high. How much would I be risking with this one? $46, okay, still happy. I think if it goes over 50, I'm gonna be a little more reluctant to take it. Let's see. Ew, Adenta. Billy looking like she wanna go. Noisome guy, okay. To be fair, it looks like the move has now started. It do happen to have runneth away withouteth me. I don't know why we're going if. Okay. Is that water? No, this be coffee. Yeah. Don't be daft. This do be coffee, guys. You need coffee in the morning to do things. Just saying. I've already gone for my run. We're good. I went for a run. Well, more like a walk. But oh well. Because Perry was not in the mood to run. It's more like a walk, but at least I did something. Okay, I'm still hands off. This doobie. I just caught that little one, guys. Hey, whoop whoop, Sully. Sully. Heck yeah. Whoop whoop. Proud of you. That is amazing. I'm a little scared, but we're gonna go for it anyways. Da, 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 da. Wake up, start with electrolytes, delay caffeine intake if needed until 1. Waking. See, I woke up at around 6:30. I only had my coffee at around 10 to 9. So I don't have coffee straight away as I wake up. Just saying. I've not seen Louis. Have you ruined his life and broken his heart already, man? To be fair, Louis normally joins more than New York sessions, so I'm sure Louis will be here for New York today. This is what... You know what? At least we have fun here. No one can ever say we do not have fun here. Go back and tag me in. Rude. No. Why? I don't even think this would have come back. Nope. Nope. This is now it do be running. Oh dear. Oh dear. Well, to be fair, I said 50. If it goes up higher, I'm out. I'm ignoring that little wick there. Adrenal system is active when you first wake up and eat salt. There's your signs for the day. Thank you, some guy. Wednesday indeed. I drink 0 coffee or else my testosterone will destroy the house. What drinks? Which one does it? Cool you down or heat you up? I drink coffee maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Use it as a tool when I need it. But other than that, I avoid. I used to be... We made the change about a year or so ago. Yeah, guys, my parents drink a lot of coffee. Wow, they have like a minimum of 2 cups in the morning. Minimum. And then they start their day and I'm just like, okay. If I have 2 cups during the day, I'm a non-functioning member of society after that because I just crash out solidly. But they just live off of coffee. And I'm just like, I don't know if I'm proud or concerned right now. Hot drinks makes sense so you can help cooling. Hot drinks make you sweat so it can help with cooling, but it depends on humidity. If humidity is high, then sweat doesn't evaporate, so you don't get that cooling effect. With that for work, I used to allow it, but shaking, dehydration, or just too much kills you on the back end. So this is why I am trying being the key word. I am trying where I will drink coffee for the London session to wake me up, give me energy, whilst y'all are gonna get a grumpy goose of a human being, which I don't think anyone really wants. Okay. And then after that, I will drink water and be a good person that is healthy. Ugh. I don't really love those wicks, but it's still a good trade. I'm still hands off. It's still a good trade. I'm still hands off. My life is changed for the biggest time you open up some insane idiot guess in highly leveraged short positions. Just for the culture. Yes, Corey noticed your nails look cute. My nails look cute. Thanks. Yeah. My sister got a hold of me. She's more of a girly girl, if you will. She was like, you can't have your nails looking like that for the wedding. So she, yeah. Some guy, grumpy goose. Do you think it will drop? Hey Anush, what's up? Angry duck. Haven't seen that in a while. I think once it has taken out Asia high, or potentially here, there's a little bit of liquidity over here. Sorry, hiccups. I actually want to check the 1 hour. Yeah, Asia high. Once it takes out Asia high, and this is also key. Nope, going way too far. Am I going way too far? Where are we at? No, I'm going way too far. Damn. I need to calm down. Here we go. Mark that out. That was some key liquidity stuff. This is also key here, but I've already put there. Okay, everywhere I have liquidity is actually some proper key liquidity levels. Was only missing that spot. Everywhere else is pretty good. Oh man, okay. I'm gonna have to cancel this trade. What a pity. I really liked it. It just didn't come down to get me. That sucked. Yeah, this is going beyond what I wanted to do. Gonna leave this up, but I think once it takes out Asia high, this thing could drop down. Maya, you're definitely a girly girl, just saying. Atlanta, what on earth gives you that idea? Like, respectfully, but what on earth gives you that idea? Where do geese invest their money? The stock market. Terribly funny, but relevant a bit of the... Oh, bump slut. Skeletor, though. You know what? I'll give you that. I'll give you that. How are you doing, Skeletor? How's it going? Anyone that's just hopped on, I hope you guys are absolutely amazing.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Oh, so Atlanta, it's not a stream with OTT, it's video. Just a video. I shall upload it, and I will hopefully then schedule it to come out after New York session today. And then I need to start editing the one with Boom. Then who wants to volunteer to be next? Who would like to do, I say interview, I don't think interview is the correct word. Who wants to have a discussion about prop firms? If you are for or against, it doesn't matter. I'm just genuinely curious. Who wouldn't mind having a chat with me about prop firms? Nasdaq machine, I think. Cheers, some guy. Enjoy it, mad love. The butterflies, the mood swings, the crying, the ditziness, the voice, the hair. You missing obvious. Wow. Some guy do the same. Hey, Sean. What's up? How you doing? Whoop. Okay, there's Asia High gone. Why did you not come and tag me in before doing that? Rude. Also, it is hilarious that it wanted to come and take me out twice. First. Just saying. Okay. There was my point of interest. Asia High has now been tapped into. Let's now see what it does. Are we gonna get a continuation? Is it going to now retest solidly? It may retest solidly. Damn. Can you imagine if I just stayed in this? Just watched it go up, 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 up. Oh, well. So Asia High officially taken. I'm gonna leave it up just for a little bit, just because I want to just watch. If I'm not mistaken, that's now all-time highs, yeah? Yeah. Yeah? Yeah, it is. What's up, Demonte? How you doing? Not a minute, slow down. Why? Why? Sean, where are you from? How long have you been trading / what do you trade? For anyone wondering, I have took one trade, was a break even. Did place a second trade, it did not come and tag me in. Now it did take out my point of interest, so let's quickly just sit and just wacht een bietjie. Wait a little bit. See where we go. Sure, I don't know. Don't know why. Had a feeling. Joburg, another South African. I love it. Like I said, what's your asset of choice? What do you like to trade? And how long have you been trading for? And what strategy do you use? Sorry, I know I ask a lot of questions. We're quite... If you read the chat, you'll see we're actually quite a tight-knit community here. Love it. I absolutely love it. It does mean I ask quite a few questions because I'm genuinely curious. So this is a little bit of a different stream. It's not just me sitting here trading. We have genuine conversations and we get to know each other and we help each other along the way. No idea why I feel like that. Just feel that way. Thanks for subscribing. Gold is very volatile. I have not even gone to check out gold. So this is the Nas, for anyone that's new, this do be the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. I'm actually going to quickly go and grab myself a little jersey because I'm an itty bitty little bit cold. I'm very used to being outside for the past like 4 days and I'm inside where there's no sunshine and it's a little bit cold and miserable in here. I'm not gonna lie. I get sunshine, but not real sunshine. I'm so sorry. I know I'm talking a lot. You'll get used to it. You come from this fast after doing drop to 21 degrees at 30 degrees in 2 hours. I know. Very drastic temperature change can kill, in my opinion. Yeah, we don't really have that in South Africa. It's just hot or hotter, or a little bit chilly. Yeah, just yeah. I wanted to grab a jersey. That's what I'm gonna go do. I'm gonna go I'm gonna go grab a jersey real quick. I'll be right back. So it's gonna just consolidate around Asia high. Are we gonna push back up to about 170, 175-ish and then turn around? Or is this just all-time highs, continuation, trend is friend? This kind of looks like continuation, trend is friend. Wow. Wow. Okay, apparently up, up, and away it is. Yes, I am now. This is my favorite hoodie, by the way. I don't know if you guys will be able to see the back. I don't think you will. I don't know if you'll be able to read it. Can you see? Yes, you can. I don't know if you can see what it says. It is amazing. It is my favorite hoodie. Because it just describes me. Yes, I wear this in public everywhere I go. I am blessed that I get tanned. Okay. Like I said, Asia high was now taken out. We are now at all-time highs. With that, I got stopped on and goes to TP. OTT? Honestly, at least it wasn't like your actual trade, right? Right? You're just talking about the paper trade, right? Okay, tapped into here. Trained as friend until it's not. Correct? Correct. Trained as friend until it's not. Nowhere here would I have been tagged in. For a winner chicken dinner. That's frustrating. So far we've had a break even, and then on the paper trading coin toss we had 2 little L's. Should we do another? Should we do a coin toss? I'm gonna pick another coin. It felt like an actual trade. I got Victoria for a week. Damn, how old is this dude? Oh, 2007, not that old. He just don't look that good. That's fine, that's fine. Let's use the 50-cent coin from 2006. This bad boy is 20 years old. Dun dun dun! Basically as old as OTT. Oh my gosh, OTT is a 2000 baby. That made me question my entire life. And I agree with some. I've seen people who do the heat, especially the elders. What kind of coins do you have in South Africa? Rand? South African coins. Sorry, I'm a sassy little witch. Debbie saying, hold on, what's up? 2005. Oh my god. Ah, this coin is a year younger than you. And here I am going, oh, quite an old coin. Or a young coin, rather. Not an old coin. A young coin. Me and OTT might be doing a new bet. Your birthday year starts with a 19. Rude. It does, but that's not the point. Okay, let's do some paper trading, quick. The other coin did me dirty. Don't do me dirty. See a rejection off of that 50%. No, mother bluffer. This one says buy. Okay, well, I'm gonna take a buy. I feel like this coin has done me dirty. Okay, but whatever. I don't even know where to put the stop loss on this one. Here? I don't even know. I don't even know where to put the stop loss on this one, to be fair. Maybe we do a trailing. And Debbie trying to rinse me clean. OTT, why just make it like if you win this one, you don't have to be OT Tory. And if Debbie loses this one, then Debbie has to have a chocolate milkshake. I have no idea. I'm seriously getting chart fatigue. What do you mean by that? This treatment doing makes me an indicator. Ooh! Any remedy for that besides not trading? If it doesn't, 2 weeks trend lines. Damn. You can reduce your milkshake down to 1, but if I win, it's still 2. Okay, but then you guys are gonna have to help me out here. Where should stop loss be? Like, should stop loss be all the way down here? I give it a solid chance, but that's a big stop loss. And then just literally make it that TPB up here. Maya, close your eyes. Move the mouth, that's weird. If it breaks this level, yeah, I am going to be keeping an eye, because if this breaks this level decently, you'll best believe I'm going to be looking for another non-paper trade. Let's see. I feel like I need to go and sit in the sunshine. Maybe I'm a plant. Maybe I'm a house plant that needs to like go out into the sunshine at least once a day. I am terrified to go back to Joburg because it's gonna kill me. Okay, well, now it's at break even because hello there. Yes, Maya, we humans need light occasionally. Okay, wait a second. That is, like I said, that's now at break even. However, if this breaks solidly like that, I wanted to break a little bit further. What does this look like on the 5 minute? The 5 minute, that's a decent break. Did this coin just get me in on the low? That's hilarious. Okay. Bit of a wick over there. Let me watch what this does on the 5 minute. Could still come back, mess around here slightly. Ooh! That's a little bit of a terrifying wick right there. Oh. An indicator. Good. Break even, so how does this work? Huh. That's a good point. How does this now work? Does it mean that there can just be no loser, but OTT could be a winner? Does that make sense? Eddie, you say watch it sink. I'm watching, because I mean that wick over there was not ideal, but still not hating. If it breaks above, I will move stop loss below. I'm gonna basically trail the stop loss slightly. Debbie cooked anyway, she needs to embrace it. Can I please put a TP? I have OTT. There. Is that too far? I put the TP at the next pub level. Hey! Debbie, the more I look, the more I realize you actually are screwed on this one. There's no way that's the TP. Yep. That do be the TP. I've made that the TP. I'm so sorry. I can make it better. That's like 10R. Yeah, it kind of is, isn't it? That's hilarious. Let's see, was it 10R? Not really. Where did I have it? It was not, so... The original was obviously here. Let's see what this one was. Yeah, it was basically... just below here. So, nearly a 3R trade. Right? Not bad. Let's see. 1, 2. Okay, so this is not an A+ setup. Guys, I'm flipping freezing. OTT doesn't use a stop loss like a thug. What's up, David? How are you doing? Most people chase trading options and things like that. That's 100 points. 100 points you're trying to make extra 100 points from a coin flip. Imagine how good you will feel if it does come back and get it though. Just saying. Okay, like I said, 1, 2. Okay, it's a B setup, it's not an A+ setup. Pity. The B, not an A+. Let's go check the 5 minutes again. Okay. I don't know how bad I'll feel when I need to trade 2 weeks of time. I'm praying on my temple. This bet is rigged. Okay, because it's so big, right? OTT, maybe Debbie can be lenient. Because it's so big, it might be the situation then of if it reaches like, what, midpoint or so, then voila, that counts as the win. If you got 100 points off a coin flip, I would legitimately start doing it myself. The TP doesn't even fit on the screen. Oh, she's you guys are taking pretty bets on nothing. Atlanta, I'm losing literally nothing. That's why paper trading is cool. Can have some fun in between waiting for A+ setups. Yeah. Atlanta, me, Debbie, and OTT are very confused about what you're talking about right now. Respectfully, but we are very confused because I am literally losing nothing. I'm also gaining nothing, but I'm losing nothing from this. At all. This is a rather large trade. OTT, you're not wrong. Is this 100 points? Oh, it is. No, it's not 100. It's 96 points. Just saying. OTT, somebody's losing and it's only you. Hey, Lord. It's the brain I'm worried about, not the monetary value. No, because this is not my setup, like I said. When it is my setup, I change to my funded, and I'm still watching out for my A+ setups. Like I said, this trade setup here is a B setup, which is why I haven't said anything. Very much a B setup. So we're just going with it. Let's see if it reaches down to there. Do. Bird. Damn, that song stuck in my head again. You tell him, OTT. What are we looking like for time? So it's now 4:30 EST time. Let's continue watching. See what we get. Trading View Paper Trading did maintenance today at the London Open. Hey, left, rights. I did see that. I did see they did a little note there. OTT, you know what? When you're right, you're right. When you're right, you're right. Okay. Let's see what this does here with a B setup. Let's see if it respects it or not. I'm watching this solidly now. A little bit of a rejection. Which is what you want to see. See if it continues rejecting or not here. Or if we're just gonna get stuck in this level. Damn it. I can say for once people did decent on the like button. They did? People have liked the stream? Heck yeah! Because y'all missed me. You guys don't like to admit it, but you missed me. I knew it. I knew it. Oh, come on. Keep on rejecting. Let's go, baby. Let's save OTT. This does reject up. I'll then move. Stop below this low. Deep pullback coming in back to previous day high. Some guy, what's up? How was the walk back? I am on a paper trade. We did another coin toss. Decent rejection off of this level, actually. Well, I say that a more decent rejection would reject properly, like with more momentum. But you can see that it is struggling to break below also. Like I said, this for me was a B setup, which is why I didn't take it. I only had 2 things going for this one. And you know me, 3 or more. That's them's the rules. Money team strat. Aw, thanks, left, right. How you doing? You must have been OTT admitting that they were related, even though they're off. My new name is sorry. Oh gosh. Like I said, you know what, guys? At least we have fun here. It's a little unhinged, but we still have fun. And that's what's important. Oh dear. And OTT says I did him dirty. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. I can live with that. Well, to be fair, Otiana isn't here today, which helps a lot. Because, oh my gosh, Otiana is mean. She's sassy. My low-key rigged the bits. It wasn't me. I told you, Debbie and the coins are in cahoots. They're in cahoots, I don't know how, but Debbie and the coins are in cahoots. I am low-key genuinely curious to try and see what the oldest coin in this little collection is now. But I don't think you guys want to sit here watching me go through a bunch of coins. The coin is AI. Again, I don't know how to prove that something's not AI. Is there a way to prove things aren't AI? But who knows, maybe Tory Strat is the secret source if it's worth 6k. OTT, I feel like your strat is worth it if it's been going oh so well. Have you had a trade this morning, or you're still not trading London? Atlanta, what kind of coins do you have in South Africa? Rands? What do you mean by that? I don't know if you can see that. You can't see that, wait. It's a 50 cent. Look at it. There we go. That's a 50-cent coin. We don't really use 50-cent coins anymore, to be fair. Oh, is there like 5 different kinds of one or what? Fun fact, backdrop including cat and plant on my stream or fake artwork. Oh, we all have nickels, dimes, and quarters. Oh no, they're all cents. What's up, One Harry? You couldn't use a 5 rand. I don't have a 5 rand here. I have a 1 rand in here. Those things do be heavy. These are like all the cents. There's a 5 cent. That's another 50. I have a 2 cent coin. These are not made anymore. How old is this bad boy? This is 1993. Ooh, this one's older than me. That's a 1993 coin right there. Damn. Okay. I went to a concert that only cost me 45 cents. It was 50 cents. Supported by Nickelback. I've looked at the charts and I'm wanting to pay on to other Restrainio. Valid. Wow. 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 I know there's a 10 cent. Yeah, there used to be 2 cent coins in South Africa. Used to being the keyword. I don't think they're made anymore. Oh, it also used to be 1 cent coins. Let me try to find the 1 cent. There's the 10 cents that you're talking about. Do I have a 1 cent coin? It's a pretty 5 cent one. 10 cent. Another 2 cent. Gosh. Ah, that one's a 1997 one. I'm not making myself look very good here, am I? Well, this thing... Oh, it is! Oh wait, no, wasn't this the one I looked up? This is the 1 cent Rhodesian coin that is from... 1975. That one's from 1975, guys. Paper only in the UK. My last name is 20, by the way. Like overly British. Really, Atlanta? I'm kind of curious about what it is now. If it's overly British, that's amazing. What's up, Shaki? How are we doing? Oh, there's another 2 cent. Gosh, I have a lot of 2 cent coins. When's this one from? 1999. Yeah, that one's younger than me. Oh my gosh, that made me feel old. Sorry, you guys have now sent me down a random rabbit hole that I never thought I'd be doing. Shaki, why are you frustrated? What happened? What happened? Sorry, you came to join me at such a weird... There's a 1 cent coin! It has 2 little birds, so I don't know if you can see it properly or not. I'm trying to do that so that you can see, but yeah. It's a 1 cent coin. 1988. This was made 10 years before I was born. It's a 1 cent coin. South African coin. I knew it. I knew there was a 1 cent. I need $10 more to be eligible for a pay. $10? That's it, Jackie. At this point, you might as well just be like, don't toss a coin, but you know. I was calculating my TP and now I'm a little short this. It's similar to that. And then it ends with worth. Oh, okay, got it. I get you. Yeah, I got some. Guess who's gonna go down this rabbit hole a little bit later. Now that I'm genuinely curious, I want to see what the oldest coin I have is. But this 19... Well, I got one from 1988. This one... Where did I say this one's from? 1975 appears to be the oldest. The pain of being only a few dollars away from a payout. I know. I'm so sorry. Why is this not working? Let's see if this continues to work. Decent rejection. Don't like these 2 wickless over here. This could be going sideways before it dropped down. Okay. What did I miss? Nothing. By the looks of things. Oopsies. The heck is it doing? I said here's and you'll get it. Ow! What's up, Minimally? How you doing? So I had one break-even trade earlier. The other trade I wanted to get into did not come back and get me. This is now just a paper trade. Sorry. For anyone that's just hopped on, this is indeed a paper trade, so don't get too excited. It's nothing super special. The coin cost was had. Did I just say the coin toss? The coin toss. Am I having a stroke? I feel, what the heck did I just say? Did I just English? Okay, what does this look like now on the 5 minute? Oh, damn. Okay. Okay, 5 minute. And let's do this thing. I can't believe I'd still low-key be in this trade. Like I said, this was a B setup. It was a B setup, but it looks like it's now starting to work out. I do still think the sellers are gonna want to come back to the party, but might not be now. And again, trend is friend until it's not. Let's see what it does at this. I'm just gonna call it a rejection zone. She's having a strong call up on this. Oh, you make you think you're back to the high heels and talk sometimes. B is for best setups, apparently, damn. Like I said, this was a B setup. Okay, listen, that would have been very, very close to my stop loss. That would have, like, nearly just missed it. Give me a second. This is driving me crazy. What are you doing? I'm gonna need you to calm all the way down. Good grief. My poor wheel is just giving it such a hard time. There we go. That's better, I think. Is it? It is what it is. Oh, nope. Okay, well, it is what it is. Ow. I think the pound is the highest currency still, but I'm not sure. Very last week prices one. People they want to do things I do. Okay. 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 It's like people being more valuable at the moment. Has anyone taken another trade? Shaki, where was the trade that you took that was then $10 short? Because that sucks. It's going much further than the US dollar, shall we say? Oh, we need to do butterfly of the day. I want to look up. I want to find a different. Not that one. Let's see if this has. Oh, it does too. No ways. Okay, I found a random butterfly generator. Shorty here, shorty there. Well, let's see. I'm gonna leave this trade just going. Let's do this because we can. Let's do butterfly of the day. But instead of using the butterfly book, I have found a random butterfly generator. Let's do this. Okay. So this was me just testing it. Now I've changed it to only that we only see one butterfly. I mean, this one's pretty cool. If I just, you know, say so. Anyways, let's do this. Generate one butterfly. Da 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 da. A dusky wing. A Perseus dusky wing butterfly. That's our butterfly of the day. Oh, bless you. That's our butterfly of the day. It's a species of butterfly in the family, blah, 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 and it occurs in North America. The eastern subspecies are rare, protected by law in some regions. Oh. Oh, damn. Description, range, life cycle. Oh, good grief. There's a lot when it comes to this one. But there we go. There's our little butterfly of the day. Cool, 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 cool. Now we go back to our paper trade that is just chinchilling over here. That has low-key just been going sideways. Because I do not have an A+ setup that has presented itself. Well, apart from the break even that we had earlier, obviously. Bitcoin baited me into excitement, but pumping a little bit and then continuation to do absolutely nothing. That's rude, some guy. What do you know? My British butterfly flies over the world. Mikawabe, how you doing, bud? No, I forgot something crazier than me. Something mentally isn't right. I feel like I've missed some parts of this conversation. Do I want to know what's happening? I do ultra marathons, cold exposure, etc. I'm a sucker for self-punishment. Wait, some guy, when is your race supposed to be? Didn't you have a race that was coming up? Like a running race? That was the thing, right? Didn't you have a running race that you were training for? So if you need help, it's okay to ask for it. Okay, we still have a little bit of time. Who are you woof woofing at? Ah, okay. I don't know who he's woof woofing at. I'll go check now. Gosh darn, this is now going sideways. Yes, I just said gosh darn. Because that's just what you do. Okay. Oh, at Ultra in June, but went off the rails. I've spoken to organizing place to next year. Okay, some guy, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. But then, I know they're not like little mini races that pop up here and there. Do you know what's very cool? Someone I actually used to go to school with is attempting a new world record. It makes me feel a little bit like, oh, okay, what have I done? But very super cool for them. I see it's Bitcoin traders. Right, some guy. Something like okay. Anyhow. We'll go to 40k. ICT trainer has like stereotypes just been you. Okay, OTT, good grief. Oh, guys, this was not on my bingo cards for today. I thought I would come back in here. Things would be pretty standard. Nope. Nope. We're gonna go for like these hardcore discussions today. I guess it is a Wednesday. Doesn't mean much, but still. Don't like it. Too much. Yeah, this one before a couple of years back. I want to knock a chunk off my previous time. Oh, okay, some guy, that makes sense. Damn, there's some serious conversations going on in here. Am I part of any of them? Not really, no. I'm just sitting here with my little paper trade going, this is cool, this is fun, this is nice. People when you When you wouldn't get that description you were saying like it smelled like a piece of spaghetti, but has a similar attitude. Hey Celestial, how you doing? Oh my gosh, you know what? I'm here, I'm having such a fun time. I'm literally just sitting here having all the giggles. Gosh, we're having, you know what, we're having fun. We've done Butterfly of the Day, it's Wednesday. Well, I've had a break-even trade and a trade that went in my direction, it just didn't come and tag me in. It is what it is. Did a little bit of paper trading for fun between. This is a paper trade, by the way, if anyone has just hopped on here. I've made it a little bit over the top with regards to TP, but here we go. Let's see. Why not, right? Why not? Yeah. I'm just trying to repeatedly tell myself to stop being. Amount of wow. Just the chord and being on the subject screen and things like that. People in general like chocolate, people in general do not like almonds. You know what, I don't wanna read this conversation anymore. We're just gonna sit here and watch the charts. I'm not even gonna read this conversation anymore. Wow, it's getting more and more unhinged. Anyways, how was everyone's... I'm changing topic. I don't know if anyone's gonna go with me on this, but I'm gonna change the topic real quick. How was everyone's weekend? How was everyone's Monday and Tuesday? I know OTT's been having a banger, so is Debbie, with regards to their trades. Anyone else? Anyone that's just hopped on here? How was Monday and Tuesday? It sounds like the Maya effect took place and there were some awesome trades. To be fair, it has moved quite a bit in London now. It has moved quite a bit. Quite a decent amount. Just took me out of break even here. If I'd left it alone, this actually would have been quite a nice trade. No way else would it have come back to tag me in for another trade unless I had taken that one. I probably wouldn't have done that though. This is a paper trade, by the way. Okay. 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 Me just let... Okay. Sorting out that clap to now book tickets for Joburg on Wednesday. And then the flight back obviously on Thursday. Okay, who wants... Let's ask this question. Who wants a blog? How about that? Let's ask this question. I'm trying my best to just quickly change topic. This can now come back down, now that I'm giving myself permission to start reading the shenanigans again. Aw, okay. Kind of break-even situation. A little bit in the green, but yeah, that was more break-even. Let's see. On the paper, we are now back up to $41. I'll take it. Okay, let's now watch and see Let's see, why not? Let's ask you guys. Someone here thinks the earth is flat. I can feel it. I was gonna be mean and say, you know, Hammond's not here, but So Monday and Tuesday were 4 wins, 1 loss, but 6. Yeah, every day sunrise on the beach for me, everyone, family and friends couldn't be better. Some guy, you are living your best life. I love it. I had a friend tell me the earth was flat. That was about 7 years ago. I stopped talking to him ever since that day. Wow. That's not a made-up story. Yes, to a blog. Thank you, Debs. Enjoy. I've got... what I said now, probably last chance. Stepping off will be on Discord. Cheers, David. See you on Discord. Hey, Hawks, how you doing? I want to see Demi's indicator on Maya's chart and Maya learning how to turn. Damn it, I accidentally clicked yes. Wow. What is wrong with you? I think I'm up being. Debbie, I genuinely don't know about that. You know, I've been having some debates in my head about that. I'm starting to think that maybe he's not. I don't know. Did you just hit your face on the chair? Come here. Come here and say hi to people. Come. Everyone, you're the main character. I'm just here for funsies. Everyone's only here for you. Hello, handsome. No, bring your face here. People want to see you. Because you're so handsome. Come here. Yay! This is that every life person used to get so bad. Hello. Oh, my sweet angel. There we go. The main man himself is here, guys. Like I said. Okay. Okay, good boy. What do you think? Let's do this. I don't know what I'm trying to do. How would you ask for a buy or sell? Look whichever side of the coin you think. No? Oh, he says none. That means don't trade. Brother Bear, don't say this took me out again and now it's gonna go back up. I spend my 1820 on. It's very tiring. Anyways, moving on. Swiftly moving on. Let's see, it's now 5:04. Let me ask you. That kind of made me realize that I need to stop, honestly. I was very supposed to different. Okay, anyways, moving on. Yes, okay, cool. So then I'll do a little vlog because it does mean that it's about to be very entertaining. If I carry on at the same time as that, oh. Yeah. What time I want to do? Cool. cool. I'm just reading this conversation. I'm just going, I don't think I'm really part of this right now. I am not. Attributed to luck. Okay, let's ask this. Is anyone in a trade? Dibs, are you in a trade right now? OTT, anybody else? How are we looking for time-wise? It's 5:06. The 5 a.m. kind of gave us this bit of a noisy little candle here that took me out. Are we going to be doing another coin flip? Yes, no, maybe. The coin has not been... It's kind of been on my side. Aw. Search keen and some essentials on mission. First one, a lot is happening on contract. Party addicts. OTT? I'm just going... What's well, you know what, OTT, me and you can be milkshake addicts. I feel like that's a decent addiction to have. What do you think? Me and you, we're gonna go out and we're gonna try a bunch of weird milkshakes. Apparently banana's one of them. Did you see what I tagged you in on Discord? I mean, the options for the milkshakes were strawberry, bubblegum, chocolate, lime, vanilla, banana, coffee, peanut butter, rose. I didn't even see that. Rose? Rose? There was a rose milkshake? I low-key want to try the rose milkshake now. And guess who's gonna go back there to try the rose milkshake? We're the alcoholics. Let me check quick. There we go. Let's see how you clean under the table too, buddy. Well, Atlanta, OTT doesn't drink, so it won't be very hard to drink him under the table. Just saying. One drink in, done. Afflicted frog. Holding up. What's up, OTT? Sorry, the parentals are asking me for things. Yes, Maya, you're in a short called earlier. There we go. Shouldn't be from friends. Probably do I think of something in common. I remember quickly. Cool. I'm just here reading this conversation thinking what the hated leader is going on. Dave is there. Else is part of this right now. That awesome source. Out of curiosity, genuinely, like I said, genuinely curious, who... Okay, anyone on Discord, have you guys still been getting like scammers trying to bug you, or have this... Is it better? Maybe that's the question. Are the scammers on the Discord better now? Or are they still there being irritating? Something like that. I can't believe there's someone out there willingly leaving the house to get a lime milkshake. Okay, listen, I feel like lime is more acceptable than banana. You don't like... Again, I feel like lime is more acceptable than banana. I think I've had a lime milkshake. I think. Actually, I don't know. I can't remember. There are people posting links to scams in the Discord, like for WhatsApp groups and stuff. Oh, I tried to take them down. Is it still happening? Okay, like recently? I haven't seen them recently. I know that they did kind of do it and then they stopped, unless I can't see them anymore. I tried to remove all of them when it happened. I know that was very irritating. That was the main reason why I then went and put the verification up. To try and stop it. I don't see anything more except... What do you do when you make... No scammers in my inbox anymore. I now feel unwanted and unloved. No, Shaggy. Hilarious. I'm so sorry. Question mark / you're welcome. I don't know. I'm very conflicted. Jordy blocked a lot of them. Ah, thank you, Mikwave. Oh, see, Jordy's just the OG. We love Jordy. How many monsters does Discord have actually? I think it's similar amount. Yeah, actually that's a good question. $1,000 mods. Wow, Mikwave. But when you're right, you're right. We're now going sideways. Should we do a coin toss again? Don't hold Discord. Why would you guys have gone? But I just don't like it. The verification wouldn't load. I tried twice and just closed the app. Oh! D4J, that's weird. I'll go check that out for you, okay? Hey, Francis, what's up? How are you doing? Is that right? Is it Francis? When I first got on Discord, like last year, I noticed so many scams, so many hacks, and even people trying to listen in through my laptop. What? Your laptop? What? Okay, coin flip time. We've given it some time. I've yet to have an A+ setup, so let's do it. Come on, coin, do me good. Sells. Sell it is. Okay. Buy stop, not so much there. Oh, let's make it. Let's give it a fighting chance. I think if it's gonna go, it will go there. Okay. TP down here. We could make it further. No, let's keep it there. There's a bunch of liquidity over there. Okay, the coin said sell. So we sold. Let's see what happens. Doesn't Discord have a place to post your trades? Why people be spamming? It does. Your trade of the day. Not really, I guess. There's like your trade of the day and your trade ideas. Well, I swear this coin does not love me. What the heck? It's a downtrend, but in the fair value gap already. Again, guys, this is just paper trading. Sorry, this is literally just a little bit of a joke until I get an A+ setup. So, literally do a little bit of a coin flip. Literally. And heads is buys, tails is sells. It landed on tails, so I took a sell there and then when it said take it. So I took it. Just in case anyone thinks this is legit, no, this is paper trading, I hope. This is on my paper trade. Can you imagine? Yes, okay, this is on the paper trading account. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Anyways, this is on the paper trade. I'm still waiting for Maya to add a stage so I can a stage? Why do you need a stage? I hate that coin. Something to figure out where that be wrong. Screen. Yeah, I don't know, bro. These influencers, man, just lacking. Who's an influencer? I got a good motivation for Maya. Every time she takes a loss, she has to buy me a 50k funded, bruh. Are you crazy? Jose, for me, a 1 to 2 R is good. I like my little 1 to 2 R strategy. I feel like it's good. It's not being too greedy. And you can become really good and profitable with it. Might take a little bit longer with regards to like where am I going with this? Point is 1 to 2 R, it's good. But I know a lot of people might argue with that, and they would say 1 to 3 R is ideal. Anything above that is awesome. I know a lot of people say the 1 to 3 R is like the sweet spot. I thought you was just gonna YOLO halfway down a trend. Oh no, D4J, no, sorry. This is very much a coin toss. Literally for fun and on a paper trade. Just because I can. No, it's a Discord server channel. It's called Stage. Oh, got it, OTT. Okay. My on a paper, go to settings, change your leverage, and put 1,000 cons on short right now. 1 to 2 R is superior. There we go. 1 to 3 is ideal, but 1 to 2 is more realistic when you're starting off. Thank you, Debbie. Okay. Oh, yeah. Some guy, of course you can. Some guy, do you use TradingView? No, wait, you don't. Do you? You don't use TradingView, do you? I don't think you do. If you did, I would say just friend me on TradingView, and then I can literally just display it. You could send it to me, like Bob has sent me like some of his trades. OTT's done the same, and then I can literally just display it here as well. But go ahead. What indicators do you use, some guy? Sorry. Okay. Have I ever journaled? I have. Why? Doesn't say somewhere, but I gotta find. Not sure where I put it. That's okay. So I've got like 1 to 2 is perfect. 1 to 1 I'd say is another good option if you want a high win rate. OTT, the only problem with 1 to 1, I agree. I think 1 to 1 can actually be like really decent. It just it feels like it hurts you a lot more when you take a loss, but yeah, if you have a decent win rate, it does not matter. That sounds bad, but it do be true. I built a new trade setup where I got 1 to 1 and then have runners to go like 15-25 points to first TP is 1 to 1, and then second goes it's 1 to 3. Make sure I'm always securing a profit. Oh, McWavi, that kind of makes sense. Like I said, I think 1 to 1 is actually really not bad. Sometimes I almost think 1 to 1s work out better. Sorry, I know a lot of people are not going to like that, but what Microave has going on there is actually quite decent. 1 to 1 is first partial, I guess, and then from there, just partial. How many contracts do you put in Microave? Risk to reward ratio, Atlanta. Which is what we are talking about. Found it, I sent it on Discord. Hey, you put 8 cons, good grief. Okay, how do I display this? I can display this. Give me a second. Let's display this because this is quite good. I'm gonna pop us onto the full screen because, like I said, yeah. You guys ready? Ooh. I mean, that's huge, but you get the idea. Let's adjust that. Here we go. So this is, give me 2 seconds. Ta-da! Okay. This is what some guys sent. You can see 1-to-1 with a 20%. I'm assuming the percentage at the top is the win rate. Yeah. So 1-to-1 with a 20% win rate is obviously not profitable. 1-to-2 with a 20% win rate. I'm assuming that's win rate at the top there. Some guy. Yeah. Okay, so it is win rate. So if you have a 20% win rate with a 1-to-2 are not profitable. 1-to-3 with 20% is still not profitable. Good grief. So if you have a 20% win rate, you have to get a 1-to-5 and above. Damn. Okay. 30% win rate, anything from 1-to-3 up is profitable. 40% win rate, 1-to-2 is profitable. 50% win rate, again, 1-to-2 is profitable, 1-to-1 is break even. 60% win rate and everything is profitable. So essentially, yes, it depends on your profitability. I mean, your win rate, not your profitability. Depends on your win rate and how good you are at reading charts or whatever indicators you use. You know, depends on you. But with regards to win rate, these are the ratios that would work for that. There we go. That's actually quite interesting. Yeah, so they don't exactly apply when you use runners, because the runner will always change the ratio, so sometimes they hit, sometimes they don't. Mikurava, I guess, but you know, the point is you would always take profit at 1-to-1. So that makes sense. The sun is coming up, it's time for bed. The bottom line is that win rate is over 60%, you're super good. Atlantic, yeah, basically, if your win rate's over 60%, you can trade whatever risk to reward ratio you want and you are good to go. So nah, I won't, never mind. When I use Weeble, I'm going to switch platforms eventually, but I learned Weeble from the beginning and I got good on it. Okay, Atlanta, why do you want to change then? If it's working for you, then does it matter? Atlanta, let me show you here quickly. So you know how I always mark out my trades? Yeah, you always see me marking out my trades. And I have a 1-to-2 R. So on here, do you see it says risk to reward? Wait, let me zoom in. There we go. It has a risk to reward ratio. You can see there it's 2. I didn't exactly draw this. There we go. Not 100% accurate, but you get the idea. The risk to reward is 2. So I have a 1-to-2 R ratio. If this was 50-50, there we go. You can see it says 1 and both of them are the same size. So you're risking the same amount that you would be gaining. That's basically what it means. I'm still in this thing. I forgot I took a sell. And we're still in this. Hey, wait, what's that hiding? That's like a guide of how good or bad you are personally, individual person by person bias. Land kind of. Back that up as well. And safe strategy. If you win rate 60% with 2R, you'll be lower if you try target 3R. The liquid could be better, fully but does not have the capital to get charts exactly how I want them. Miss me always. How's it going, guys? You can make a decision. It's a nice reputation too. Half of the time, so long as your strategy is tested and lines with the chart. Strategy, and then you just good risk management. Working on building it to where baby can sit at my computer and make money. Oh, that would be amazing. And 2K drawdown. No! What happened? Why are you a 2K drawdown? What happened? Okay. We shall chat soon. Oh no! I'm so sorry. Why is this coin hating on me today? I feel like this coin is just, it's doing me dirty. Very rude. Very disrespectful. Bad coin. I've done how many coin tosses today? 4. This was the 4th. Yeah, this was the 4th coin toss. First 2 losses. Second one was, I guess you could say, break even, and this one now looks like it's gonna be a loss. The coin be hating today. Just saying. Bad. And if you're a new trader and you try to focus on win rate, you won't be profitable. As an active day trader, I never found myself measuring out the risk and reward before entering the trade. What do you go based off of? Do you just go for like liquidity levels? Ah, look at that. OTT? Why do you... Okay. You need to use a coin you find on the floor because then it's lucky. Oh, that makes sense. Focus on getting into good positions with only a dollar amount. That makes sense. And I figure out the rest after that. Average win and average loss is what's important. Not win rate. Hey, Jean-Pierre, what's up? How you doing? Version. Again, guys, this is just the paper account. It's not to go. Oh no, it's not going great. I was $100 up. I'm now basically at break even again. Also on the long and short tool, if you double click on, you can change account size and percent risk so that the tool tells you what position size. Oh, so some guy, I've already done that. Yeah. So I've already done that. So I made it so that I tend to risk around $200. You know, back in the good old days, it feels so long ago when I would risk $200 per trade. So it tells me how many contracts I would have to place for it to be around $200 risk. I go for dollar amount launcher band. I wasn't give you bands as well. Why do I love the name Jean-Pierre? It sounds very cool. Just saying. Psychological dollar amounts. Dollar. Sorry, I don't know why I said it like that. Selling coin flips? What the Louis? No, I'm not. I'm doing a bad job. Well, is it me or the coin? One of us is doing a bad job, guys. The coin do be hating on me today. This is how microwave feels when people say ICT. Mercy. Point abandon something inside me just wanted to throw up. Oh. There we go, OTT. Yeah, I guess to be fair, there's a lot of people that do feel that way. Watch it now go down. So is it the coin flip that's hating on me, or is it the market today? Why are you hating on me? I was gone for a few days. I gave you a break from me. Or is it sulking because I wasn't here for a few days? I feel like the market be sulking at me because I wasn't here for a few days. That is the vibe it's giving me. Sorry, my hair's like in my eyeball. That is the vibe it's giving me. It's sulking because I left it for a few days. Because seriously, I took a flipping sell here, went up, took me out, and now it looks like it's gonna go back down. Rude. Just saying. Just rude. I had a dog that used to do that. If I went anywhere, when we came back, she would ignore me for a day. Almost to give me like the middle finger, because how dare I leave her? She would ignore me. When the coin winds up, I'm guessing I'm going to buy plans. People have patience to stick to their plans, not having a plan in the first place, so their trade is run by emotion. Ooh, some guy, I like that. It's fine, why you don't have to worry about the coin hating on you, because we hate on you every day. This chat prays for your downfall.
Emotional damage.
That was rough. Some guy. That was a little. Okay, folks, I would even ammo. Y'all are so mean. Why do you want to see my downfall? That feels like a personal attack. And I personally don't like it. Why is this starting to look like a bit of a bull flag? Are we bull flagging? Loki looks like we do be bull flagging now. We're gonna have a little bit of a bull flag until later, and then we get the move during New York. I say hopefully. Let's see. Hate is gonna hate. I'm just here for the music, I knew it. Oh, awesome, I've got a new segment for your lives to keep everyone sharp. I'm listening, Mikuawe, what is it? Is it not the coin flip? I thought the coin flip was cool. I'm no. Don't involve me in this chat, I'm just eating popcorn. Ah, popcorn for the win. Why are you not sharing? I could do with some popcorn. The thing to just got a clear mind. If it's not clear, then have the maturity to not. We all play Kahoot. What's that? What? What's that? Mikuawe? I don't even know what that is. Is that bad? What's Kahoot? Is it bad that I don't know what that is? Downfall, not out of. It's from all the popcorn, isn't it? Nobody wants to see your downfall besides that coin. Aww. Sweet and salty mixed. Some guy, I completely agree with you. That is the best flavor. Like, there's a sweet and salty flavor of popcorn. Best. Love it. I do also like salt and vinegar flavor popcorn. Like, you go to the movies and you get a salt and vinegar. Anyway, sorry. I genuinely believe coin flip is unethical. It's disrespectful, even if it's profitable by a statistic. Chill, dude. Like I said, I'm literally doing this as a joke. I do not recommend. It's definitely not financial advice. 100%. Doing it as a joke on paper trade betwixt trades while I wait for A+ setups. Likes today. Okay, like today, I had 2 A+ setups. One I took, it turned out to be, it ended in a break-even trade. You can see it over here. Went up, came back to take me out at break-even. And the other one was, it was actually such a nice trade. It just didn't come back far enough to get me. This was my second trade. I had it placed and everything, but it had quite a distance to go and it just didn't come back to get me. And then it ran off. It was a little bit rude. And now here we are. Yeah. It's an online quiz game everyone can join, and whoever answers the most correctly wins. Okay. Salt and vinegar popcorn with a wild time. I thought Netflix and Hulu took out the movies. No, we still have. And I mean, it's expensive to go, which is a problem, but it's so nice to go. Damn, I haven't been on a movie date in a while. I'm sure my face is just squeezing, that's all. Atlanta, because there's no good movies out there. Teach by a coin flipping. To be fair, Debbie, did you guys watch that little animation called Swapped? I watched it yesterday on Netflix. It's actually like just for the animation itself. Like the storyline and everything is a little bit predictable, sure, but just like the animation is beautiful. Like the artwork, if you will. I'm being one of those people, but yeah. See, no, I'm gonna watch that show, The Day of the Jacket. That's the last decent thing that I've seen. Damn, y'all are being haters right now. What about like little kiddie movies? Maybe I'm a kid by heart, but you know, like I am drawing a blank here. Oh, I'm drawing a blank. There was something that I was thinking of that I was like, oh, what movie is it? Oh, damn. Completely drew a blank there. Maya, have you seen the new Last Airbender film? It's great. Mikwabe, I have. And it is. It is awesome. Yeah, I really, again, a little bit predictable, but so good. I don't want to get out with my girl and think about doing the Lion King. Well, see, we want to jump across the screen. Screen. Oh, English is failing me. Maybe I must just start singing everything. Maybe then I won't start saying weird things. But Miguave, yep. Oh, we have to break even. Aw, sorry, Q. Okay. Let's see now. Shall we? Is it time? Coin flip. Okay, coin flip said sell. I feel like the coin flips be hating on me today. I'll have it up there. Have it at the lows there. The coin said sell. This is very much giving buy vibes. All the buy vibes. Is it asking me not to watch it because it's not out yet enough? But what I'm wondering is if it's been leaked, just release it. So, Mikuwabe, that was the thing, right? We're actually having a discussion about this. It looks completely finished. Like, you obviously saw it. I obviously saw it. It looks like it's done. The music, the art, everything is done. Why was the release date only going to be in October? What more do they have to finish? Make that make sense. It looks done. Everything looks done. Why was the release date only going to be in October? Coin is short bars. I think the coin should have a name, a proper name, Jeffrey. Is it dragonfly? Mikuwabe. Gosh, okay. My reverse of what the universe tells you, because this to control the universe. If my eyes don't coin flip 3 years from now, in mental state in the corner by yourself. Wow. You'll have to come and save her. Lindy's like, pull the name. Are we actually gonna name a coin? We're gonna name a coin. That's where we're at, guys. We're gonna name a coin. Okay, by the way, the baby doing a bit of a vlog thing one, so good luck to all of y'all. You're gonna have to watch that. I'm saying full strike so much, not even a series. A series will release one season. Literally, Mikwabe. No one wants to wait that long. We are unfortunately now, I don't want to say a generation, but we are at a time where instant gratification is very much a thing. People want instant gratification. I'm not saying it's a good thing, I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but people very much want instant gratification. It's just how the cookie crumbles nowadays. What was I doing? Oh, name of the coin. We make it Jeff or what's another name? All the J names are coming into my head for some reason. I'm like Gerald and I'm, well, I guess that's a G, but anyways. Name the coin microwave. I get sidetracked easily. I really do. Oh, I vote calling the coin flip. Flipperty flop. Or flip flop. I'm gonna call it flip. Let's see. Jeff, flip or flip flop? What are the unhinged things you guys do on stream? Well, oh, flip. Damn. How about Jupiter flip? Jupiter flip. What's Jupiter flip? Why is this working right now? Well, I wouldn't quite say working. Why are we in profit right now? Maybe that's better. Maybe that's the better question to be asking. If it reaches here, well, let me move this down to now that high. Okay. Okay then. Okie dokie then. If you call him flip flop, you can call him flopper for short. Milkshake flip. Oh, why is Jeff winning right now? Wow, I did not see that coming. Jeff is winning. What? No ways. Close it out in profit and take a break. She gonna flip flip now. Oh my gosh, guys, Jeff is winning. Out of all the names, Jeff right now is winning. Okay, on the vertical, Jeff is winning. On the horizontal, flip flop is winning by 67%. But Jeff is literally winning by 50% right now, which is wild. I did not expect Jeff to be the winner out of those three options. But okay then. My name is Jeff. That is literally, yeah. Yeah. Give me a second, there was a lot of hooting that just went on there. Okie dokie. That was wrong. Yep, my name can't be Jeff. It's my dad's name. Oh dear. Well, Jeff, I'll hate that coin forever. Oh. Forget it's called Jeff. Oh. That's common. Yeah, then my strategy is just using Jeff. I know that was coming. Now it's a bad idea all of a sudden. Oh, good grief. Oh, well, it's at basically this 50% level, which means I'm gonna go break even. Here I was going, oh, this coin's gonna do me dirty, and now watch it prove me wrong, and it's gonna go for a winner chicken dinner. Little Maya, little thick in the legs. Okay, girl. Anyways, moving on. You haven't been defeated yet unless it starts calling out the name. Wait, I'm like coin flip. We need to see what you like under pressure. What do you mean? No trust to set up a room to breathe. Guys, again, just BT dubs. This is still paper trading because I literally flipped a coin for this. Just saying. Just saying. Guys, I'm a problem all the time, so you can very easily assume that under pressure I'm still a problem. I feel like that's fair. I'm gonna give it a little bit of room to breathe there, but otherwise I'm just gonna start following. Okay, you should let Jeff decide whether you should go break even or not. Well, we still have a few minutes to go. So let's see what happens. Oh. Everything's now just chilling. Okay. Okay. It's almost 6, my sanity time check. Well, no, we still got like 11 minutes. I can still be insane for 11 minutes. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. This gap will close Friday or Monday. Okay, Jeff and I have the same opinion this time. It's not going to be the same mostly. No, chill, dude. 100% no. 100% no. I agree with you. Again, it's definitely not financial advice. I am literally doing it for fun because I have realized that my A+ setups, unfortunately, are not that common. So, betwixt the A+ setups, it's why I'm still here, still paying attention, still noticing things. But betwixt the A+ setups, we shall flip a coin. Okay, okay, so that was another break even. Let's see how we're looking now. Up $16. Gosh darn, guys. I want to change my vote. My vote was random and I wanted to count now. Atlanta, what did you vote for? Tweaking and forward testing for the win. To be fair, flip-flop is winning by 75%. Okay, so flip-flop is winning by 75%. Jeff is winning by 56%. So let's do this now. Wow. On the other one, Jeff didn't even get a vote. This is a bit of a tricky one. Maybe it's one of those situations that if I'm in a bad mood, it's gonna be Jeff. If it's being good, it's gonna be flip flop. Don't know why we're hating on Jeff, but anyways, we're apparently now gonna be hating on Jeff. Abby, how's your relationship with your father? Are we being mean to Jeff? We're being nice. Oh, it just started down from here. I voted Jeff, but it's random, not big. I don't even know him. Oh man, you guys are actually too funny. Let's see, this is now going sideways. But that's okay. It did take me out. Nine minutes, no A+ setups. Let's quickly change back here. I don't know why, I just prefer to end on my account. Go. Okay. Let's go through this quickly. This one here, ironically, would have actually been a little winner. Just. But I wouldn't have taken it because of the fact that it just broke above the bob level. Same for that, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. This one here, again, would have just tapped it 50%, would have gotten nothing there. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. It's just kind of stuck in this little bit of an institutional zone, which is fine. I guess it is what it is. Like I said, this one I did actually take the full 5-minute range. I did take, it just didn't come back to get me in anywhere. This wouldn't have pulled back far enough. I did not look at this one. I didn't even look at that one. I low-key looked at this one and that one would have been a loss. Okay, so it's good to know that the two trades that I took the one trade, well, tag me in for the one trade, let's rather say that. The second trade, good idea, just did not retest far enough to the 50% zone of the, well, to be fair, I think it was 50% of the 5 and 15-minute level. Oh damn, oh damn. Well, he passed away when I was 17. I'm sorry, Debbie. Hey, Hammer, what's up? Young age. Remained freshman year of college. It was a good David loved to me. I'm almost to eat with the lights on. You don't know, did you something I now? Hey, Abdul, what's up? How's it going? What's cooking? Nothing much. Not gonna lie. To be fair, I was showing people earlier the 1-cent coin, South African coin, which I thought was cool. This one was made in 1988. I am going to go down a bit of a rabbit hole now to try and find the oldest coin in this little collection of mine. I still think it's probably this one. That is, what's this one again? 1975. But that's a Rhodesian coin. It's not a South African one. Oh, Mikuwabe, you've got this, bud. You've got this. I believe in you. Okay, that was a big boy bark, but we're gonna... You don't look sorry, but anyways, my dad is also old. I'm so worried about him. Damn. Okay, this just got real dark up in here. This close to losing it. Okay, it's okay. Show me the Zim coin. The Zim, yeah. It's a 1-cent Rhodesian coin from 1975. It's not in the best state though. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Not in the best state. Yeah, it's a little bit old. There we go. May never hear from you again. Why? I don't know if bring up the thing before I go to sleep. Mikuwabe, you got this. Mikuava, you got this, bud. Okay. Okie dokie. Wait, Mikuava, why do you have to go to the doctor? Emma, what a weird thing to read. What a weird statement to just read right now. Anywho, I am in. Oh, okay. If anyone missed it, we were discussing win rates versus ratios. Basically, give you an idea if anyone cares. Asking for a friend. Well, Hammer, what's up? Why are we well, blah, 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 English. Well, what? Let's do this then. I'm gonna just doink and doink. Okay. I'ma call it there for today, guys. Got a break-even trade. If it had come to tag me in, that would have been a flipping awesome win. Can I just say that would have been amazing. Unfortunately, it didn't. So we're gonna move on to the next. This then just, again, kind of like I said, it kind of looks like it's bull flagging, which is fine. But I'm then gonna call it. Let me call it. Can I trade on my phone? I've never tried, but you can trade on your phone. I think when I do wake up, like I must have to cancel the appointment. Okay. I love you guys madly. I'm gonna call it there for today. I had fun. It was a fun day. Unfortunately, not many A+ setups for me, but it is what it is. Got a break even. I think I lost like 40 cents. None. But it's okay. I love you guys madly. I'll be back for New York. Cause I'm back, baby. I'll be back for New York session. Let's get this show on the road. Okay. I love you guys madly. Trade safe. See you for New York. Happy to be back. I love you guys. Bye. And